Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about capped collection in MongoDB. So anti-capped collection are fixed size collection that supports high throughput operation that insert and retrieve document based on insertion order. And here once a collection fills its allocated space and it makes room for a new document by overwriting the older document in the collection. So this is the point about capped collection. So let's understand by example. So at here first I'm going to create one capped collection. So at here let's write db and here dot, and here you can find create. Also here you can find create collection. Okay, create collection, and here giving the capped collection name. So at here cap EMPLOY. So this is the collection that I'm going to create. Now here after comma, and hereafter let's write at this point in curly braces cap, cap, and hereafter colon, and here going to use true, and here giving the size. So size at here 2240, and here maximum, max means maximum size at here giving 2000. So if I execute to this query, so there will one collection created with the name capped or cap employee. Now here after refresh the item, so see at here one cap employee collection created. Here there is nothing inside there. So first at here I'm going to check is this creation is capped or not. So at here let's write to db and here dot. So here cap employee and here is cap. Now here after if you execute this query, so and here it's true, that means so this collection type is cap collection. Now here after let's select other, so db and here going to select em employee and here is cap. So return true if the collection is capped collection, otherwise false. So here I execute to this one, so definitely I'm getting false because this collection is not a capped collection. Now here after the next thing is, so let's there is one collection created with the cap collection. Now here after cap employee, hereafter I'm going to insert some values. So add here let's go to import. So importing values from the Microsoft SQL Server. So here this is connection test, it's fine. So once video there I discussed about how to create how to import values from the uh, SQL Server. So please go and watch my one on that video. Now here after cap, here cap apply it's selected. Now here after let's click on execute. So here after let's it's executed. Now here after let's check the size. Okay, so here db dot cap to employee. Now hereafter I'm going to use find method. So execute to this. So see at here there is so this record contains inside uh, inside cap employee. So this is the value here employee. So total numbers of at here or total numbers of documents at this point 14. Now here after 14 documents. So suppose if I give at here the if I'm going to create one collection cap with the cap tab and you're giving the size lesser. So let's give at here and here 2000 and here after I'm checking the size. So here checking the size. So let's db dot and here cap employee and here dot So here data size. So here you can find data size. So this will display the data size here. So at here 2166, because at here given at this point I have given when I create cap collection, so there I was given size 2400 and 2000 maximum. So between this the value is there. Now suppose if I end creating the collection with 240 and 200. So let's execute that. So there is a one collection it's created with cap employee 1. Now here going to refresh. So there is one collection. Now hereafter I'm going to import to inside cap collection 1. So here SQL employee and here test, that's fine, and here source. So taking from EMP the same. Now here auto server tab. So let's cap employee this time selecting. So here check 21 or 6s and storage 16 KB index 1 size. Now total count at your 14. Now here selected cap employee. So here this is not required. Here going to select the database add-on, and here the tab is the collection tab or cap employee 1. Now let's execute to this query. So right here I'm getting error messages. Okay, this is fine. Now here add-on database now execute once again. So it's executed successfully. Now here after the next thing is I just created one collection with the cap employee. So here cap employee 1. Now here, so let's take the cursor at this point. So see at here there is a size it's created 161 byte, and because I have given the 241, so because of using cap to collection, so this is this according to definition cap collection or fixed size collection. So this is the fixed size collection. So if you give it a size according to size the collection and value you can insert. Now here after if you check at this point cap employee form, and here you can just check that content insert. So there is a one content loaded at here. Now hereafter if you want, then here you can check the size. So when I was using at here cap employee, so there was the different size 2416 I think. So here you are only getting 161. So because of it's a cap or collection, and capsule collection according to size the cap tag created. Suppose if I insert once again some values. Now here after I'm going to execute so this is the cap employee here. Now try to execute once again. So see at here capped employee 1, take the cursor. So there is a no any value it's inserted, because at here count it's only showing 1, and here no any value inserted, the date and data size is the same. So this is the things about cap collection. So if you create cap collection, then you can cap collection or fixed size collection that suppose high throughput operation, then insert the retrieved document in the insertion. So it get the high throughput, but it's a fixed size. Okay, and once again cap collection is first, so then that will do the override operation. So suppose if I'm going to insert okay, let's do one thing. So this is the content here, cap collection contents. Okay, db.find one. So this will discuss the contents. There I'm getting now here after going to change the name with 1, and here after let's right click. So at here MongoDB server write to error 13 cannot change the size of document cap collection. So at here I'm just trying to change the size of cap collection 161 to 162. So here because it's a cap collection, so we cannot do that. So it's just a fixed size. So this is the point about the cap collection. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.